In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner and tap on this tiny window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and move it. To make it tiny again, click on Home button and access it by tapping on it. If you want to use your app in full screen view, you can scale it, and when you see this blue area, let go, and then the blur, or just click on the top left corner. To close your app though, you need to click on the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!